GENEIII sent me these L-Ergothioneine supplements, and these have really cool anti-aging properties in them. I'm so into anti-aging skincare. Now, would you believe this has the equivalent of 1.65 pounds of reishi mushrooms? That's so awesome. I'm gonna pop one right now. I've been taking 2 every night, and I just started about a week ago, so I can't speak to the long-term effects of it, but they are clinically tested to show that they help with liver repair. They also help improve your deep sleep, and with all the antioxidants, they help with that anti-aging. These are made in a CGMP facility here in the USA, and they don't have any side effects. I haven't experienced any side effects, and they don't have any drug interactions as well. So I've been really impressed with this. I had never even heard of L-Ergothioneine before being sent this, and now that I've done some research about it, I'm super impressed with this anti-aging supplement. I'm loving it so far, and I think you're gonna love it as well.